Yo, check out that backyard. All the trailers are rented and things are getting busy, folks. It's busy season. We got a whole lot of stuff today, so let's see what kind of money we can make. I'm excited. It's gonna be a long ass day though. It's been like that all week. Seems like I roll out of bed, get started on the day. By the time I finish up with all the computer work at the end of the night, it's 12 in the morning and we're back to it the next day. But hey, I ain't complaining. I'm just a little tired. Let's get after it. We've arrived. Don't know where the heck to go. It's always fun. But where this place is at? On Slowpoke. There's an elevator. That's the one we gotta use. M312. Where you at? Alright, I would say you'd be at like a quarter, which is 325. Okay. And then with the elevator and stuff, that's usually like an additional 20 just because how much traveling there is all the way to the truck. It's Wally. Another full load. This place is so long. Looking, chilling around the table. Big bag. Awesome. Looks good. 245. Yeah, I can text you. I can text you a receipt. I'll give Spencer the half. We always split it. All right. Well, you have a great one. I'm gonna try not to lose this load on the way down. 345. That took so long.
Yo, where my hunter at? I said one load.
Bro, I barely got that on one load. Go put the barrel up.
Where my hug at? Where my hug at?
All right, we had to stop for a little energy drink break because I'm pooped. Not gonna lie, but almost a job too. Got it off Thumbtack. I don't know what it's gonna be. It says 4 pickup truck loads, but you know how good customers are at judging stuff, so we'll see.
Be higher miles and not following a combo or third-party delivery platforms. With hands-free.
Not a bad spot. Not a bad spot.
So like, absolutely everything. Just.
Gotcha.
And then there's one, oh, in this room. The last few things are this.
Mm-hmm.
And then see that iron thing that's.
Yeah. You guys gotta check this place out. It's insane. Dang, what did she say about this stuff? Nothing? This is nuts. All right. That's not it. A lot of cardboard. So much cardboard. It's not even much. That's another one. It's a little 5, honey. 509. We got over. See you later, crib. Yeah. That's 2 jobs, only $54. I guess it was early. Oh, 5014. Alright. On the job. 3. Small ass job we should have fucking just picked up after the last one. My mistake. I forgot to record, but we're getting a love seats from up there. And I was real tempted to Kobe it off, but that would have been so sketchy. But I think she's adding a table. Let's go see. What table? Hey, hang on. Hang on. So let me get a grip on it at least. All right, get the Kobe's. I need one chair. Oh, is it that table?
No, not this type on the hallway. Okay.
Yeah, the big one. Yeah, heads up. Yeah, I was only gonna check. Yeah, I'm pushing down there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the lights off. Awesome, I appreciate it. Did you need a receipt sent anywhere?
Thank you, Dad.
Awesome. Yep, you guys have a good one. 214. This is a hoorah for sure. Ooh. Oh, made it. We made it. Oh yeah. Oh, I can park it there. Good. What's she doing? Think you're relaxing in here? Next. All the way to St. Pete, pal. How much that was?
I don't know.
It's $200. Come on. Get right. Let's go. Come on. Rips an all-star right down the gullet. Oh, two all-star. Whoa. Take it easy. Oh, wow. All right, what are we on? Jump 4 or 5? I don't even know, but this is a little while. How's it going? Busy.
No, you're always busy.
I know, I try to be.
Can we dump that in there?
Yeah, it's fine. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Quick curbside pickup. We got a decent amount. I think this overhang's going, that table's going. Spencer's about to go. She sucks. That's going. Junk under it. Like crap in here's going. And stuff back here. And then looks like there's a little bit of junk back here. And we're ready to go. Oh. Some of that, and booked 2 more jobs today, so we are busy as crap. Check it out. There's some underwear for you if you need an extra pair. Why not listening to me? That's not good. Yeah.
Everything in here?
Everything in the whole fucking property. Let me get right. Bet. Free scrap.
Like actually everything in here?
Yeah, dummy. What do you think we are?
Everything?
We only take bulk? Yeah, just everything. Oh, yeah. Well, that overhang's holding up the whole damn fence, so I don't know if I should take that or not. Just texted my property management lady. There's a big dog right back here. Damn. How much shit's in here? There are a million cockroaches in here. I swear on everything. Ah! Stop!
Well, they're just playing with me, though. Oh shit!
Alright, I'm gonna say that's another $300. Commercial client, so we hooked them up. I think that's it though. Check. Sadie, how's it looking? Recording.
Is that a G?
Yeah, $300. Job. You know what job we're on?
5.
5, 6. So we got 7 today.
It's 7 today.
We got 2 more. 5, 6, 7. We gotta go to the dump. Another 3 on the books. We gotta be close to fucking $2,000 by the end of the day at least. But 29 minutes out from the dump, and then 2 more in Clearwater. We are at the dump for like the 3rd time today. We got 7 jobs on the books. That's insane. I'm not even running all my advertisements, just local service ads, which are popping off, but they're expensive as hell. But we still got 2 more, and it's 4:40. It's gonna be a late day. Not too bad, honestly. We're kind of killing the schedule today. I'll add everything up at the end, let you guys know what we're at. I know it's up there though. It's up there. I can't even think right. My brain is mush. This week has been so busy. But see Spank dumping the trailer back there right now. Yup. Need a little Diet Mountain Dew in my life. That's what we're doing. Oh, shit. Oh, get him. You didn't want that extra, or no, wait, that double extra large. Oh, shit. Oh, tell me this is the last one, please. Chad, this is the last, please. Come on.
We have 1 more, chat.
2 more, actually, not 1 more. 2 more. Not too bad. Little curbside pickup. See what we got. Hello. So what do we got that's all going?
That stuff.
Okay.
And then you can take this stuff too.
Yeah, that's up to you. I mean, the more you add, the price is gonna go up.
Okay.
So all that and like all this.
Well, this and then like the stuff that's in here.
Got that, little guy? I'm gonna go work on this stuff. This is all right there. Okay. Yeah, there. Oh, one bench, sorry. Is it? Are you giving that? Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, good. Alright, Spank's finishing up. This is gonna be $3.95. And we got more flat tires. Woo! Love that. $3.95. Wow. Thank you, you didn't have to do that. Right, and then to phone number or text, would you like the paid invoice? Alright. When you click on the link at the bottom of it for the invoice, you click on it and the balance will be 0 and it'll show what you paid.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, well you guys have a good one. Yep. Oh, I can't believe she tipped on that. Crazy. Alright. That was 6? We got 7 jobs in the books. And that lady tipped $20. I didn't tell you that.
That one did?
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
I can't believe that either. I feel like we kind of hit her a little high.
Good. Alright, no. Alright.
But I mean, I'm honestly always earn charging, so probably made up for it there. Because that first one this morning was honestly 4.5. All right, get this shoot across. Get it right. You get a car accident on camera. 7th job on the way. 8 minutes. 3rd story. No elevator. We're cooked. All right, last and final destination. And then we are out of here. 3rd floor. See how this goes. Don't worry, the experts are here.
Son of a bitch. I knew there was a way that came off. I just said no.
Yeah?
Kind of hard to talk about going.
Yeah.
Just want something tight on me.
Woo!
Oh my God. We're doing it hard, Joe. That's so true, yeah. Dude, I'm smarter than the ones that brought it. Because they didn't get there.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, the little one comes out. Doesn't it?
You think it would fit in the elevator now, or no?
Nah, it's for me.
Got her on the dolly. All right. Load her up. Got that? I can check her out. Or
Where am I going?
I guess
All the way down or the...
forgot to record that, but Cody gave me $200. Oh God. How's it coming? Damn, how's Dolly doing? Had to show chat what's up with the tip. 175. 200.
Was that 65 bucks?
I don't know what. I know you're not great at school, but
I'm grabbing all this week.
oh, this thing. How is this heavy when there's no backs on it? Oh. Yes, sir. That was loud. That's what I like to see. Everything ready to roll. About time. Oh! Like a tornado came through. Yo, Dolly. Out of control. Oh, Dalisha. Finally home. And when I say today's been the most insane day, we've gone up and down my whole county like 3 times. 7 jobs on the books. The only way we got 7 done though is obviously some of them were fast, easy, short, cheap jobs. But still, average day of just banging out houses and condos, nothing crazy, no demo. We broke $2,000 on the truck. That's good. That's good. I'm happy about that. We're finally moving forward. The schedule's consistently getting more and more busy. And we're not even like peak season yet for busy season. It's just steady grind. I'll have the numbers of all the jobs here real briefly. I don't know exactly, but when I added the math earlier, I know we just broke over 2K without tips. And I think 5 out of the 7 customers today tipped. So that's a GG. If you're thinking about starting junk removal, start junk removal. It's easy. It's a simple business to get into and get started. It's not easy to get to this point, especially if you start in a populated area, but it's your lucky day. There's people like me to help you. I actually just started a school community. If you guys are interested in that, it's literally everything in it has a step-by-step blueprint on how to start your own junk removal business. It costs as much as probably you spend on Starbucks a month. I'm just letting you know that's going to be down in the description. Get out there and do it, man. Just get out there and start that business. Even if it's not junk removal, get out there and do it. Because I'm telling you, at the end of the day, it pays off. It's worth it. The hustle, the grind, working for yourself. It's all worth it at the end of the day. Even though I'm completely exhausted and I feel like I've been working sun up to sundown every week, but I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not the type of guy that gets up when the sun's coming up. You're nice and easy, 8 a.m. or when I take off from the house. But hey, it's 8 to 7 p.m. I'm still working long ass days, but that's just what you got to do to scale the company. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer them, or just DM me on Instagram. If you guys want to check out the school community that I've been building, that'll be linked below. If you don't, I'm not going to be offended. And I'll see you next video. Peace.